Today, I'm going to show you how to make an all-American classic favorite cookie called the Snickerdoodle. This is one of the simplest cookies, and most of the ingredients you're going to find already in your kitchen or pantry. This recipe comes to us from a wonderful baker by the name of Stella Parks in her fairly new book called Brave Tart: Iconic American Desserts, a New York Times bestseller and a James Beard Foundation Award winner. Stella writes about the Snickerdoodles. There's nothing quite like the smell of cinnamon sugar wafting from the kitchen, except perhaps discovering its source, a tray of warm Snickerdoodles. Their crinkled tops and billowy thickness come from a blend of butter and coconut oil, and also fresh grated nutmeg and cinnamon. This wonderful, easy-to-make recipe comes together for you in just about a half an hour of time. Anybody's got half an hour to make a dozen Snickerdoodle cookies. So if you're ready, let's get started. So this is going to be one of the easier recipes we've ever made together. With my handy-dandy cheat sheet, we're going to combine the butter, coconut oil, sugar, salt, baking powder, nutmeg, and vanilla in the bowl of a stand mixer. So, butter, coconut oil, sugar, 1 stick or 4 ounces of unsalted butter. I cut it into slices because it was very cold, and I waited long enough that it's now just about room temperature, but hey, here we go. 1/2 cup or 3½ ounces of refined or virgin coconut oil. 1½ cups or 10½ ounces of sugar. Beautiful. 1 1/4 teaspoons of diamond crystal kosher salt. Baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder will do the trick. I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So the next thing we're going to do is mix on low speed to moisten, then increase to medium and beat until light and fluffy, about 5 minutes, pausing to scrape with a flexible spatula halfway through. Low speed to moisten. Look at all those yummy Snickerdoodle ingredients in there. Then after this is all well combined, we're going to add the egg, blend that in, and then we're going to put the flour in for the final beautiful dough. Then we'll scoop it onto our prepared baking sheets with parchment. Oh, it's so creamy, look at that. Now we're going to go to medium for about 5 minutes. And now we're just about halfway through. We're going to pause. Oh, everything looks so beautiful. Look at this lovely Snickerdoodle batter. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape it down, Make sure that all the bits and pieces get fully incorporated. There we go, just like that. This is how we do it here in Patrick Sparr's kitchen. Now we're going to add 1 large egg and continue on medium speed. There we go. Now we have all the basic ingredients incorporated. We're going to add in the flour. Ten and a half ounces of flour. That would be about 2 1/3 cups. Now we're going to continue to blend on low speed till everything is fully incorporated, the flour is all moistened. Then it's time to scoop our cookies. So the batter is all set, ready to portion. This is going to be the cinnamon sugar. We have 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, I also have some freshly grated cinnamon. Stella suggests 2 teaspoons of grated cinnamon, but I don't have a good grater, so I have maybe about a half a teaspoon of grated cinnamon. But this is our beautiful cinnamon. It still has some fresh grated in here that I grated on a microplane. That's the magic of the Snickerdoodle. Cinnamon sugar. We put that right up here. Go to our beautiful batter. Remove that paddle attachment. I have about a 2-ounce scoop here. Let's see how this rolls. We want to coat our Snickerdoodles in cinnamon sugar and put them onto our parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the Snickerdoodles begin to spread, or about 6 minutes. Then we're going to rotate the baking sheet, reduce the oven to 350, and continue baking until the cookies are firm around the edges, but still puffy in the middle, about 5 minutes for small cookies or 8 minutes for larger ones. 1 on the bottom, 1 in the middle. 6 minutes, and then we'll see what we got. There you have it, my friends. Hot from the oven, Snickerdoodle cookies. I baked these in 2 batches. These maybe got a little darker than these. I think I like the light ones better. Yeah, Snickerdoodle cookies. I hope that you can make some Snickerdoodle cookies too at home. This is one of the easiest recipes I've ever made, and just so delicious. So if you get a chance to make these for yourself, please do come back and leave your comments in the comment section below this video. And let us know how they turned out for you, or if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. And in the meantime, please do click the thumbs up like button. It helps me continue to produce more videos and recipes for you. And do please also subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to a channel for content creators is very important, as it shows that we have participation from our beautiful audience, you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Wow, 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 wow.